Are you tired of stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of acupressure to help you shed that unwanted belly fat. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to use 3 acupressure points to lose belly fat. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine and Pet Acupressure Therapy. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point recommended to promote belly fat loss is located just at the base of your nail on your ring finger. Right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, you can pulse it 25 times like this. Now find and activate this point on your other hand. The next point is located on your second toe. This point is known for its ability to control appetite and reduce cravings. Try breathing deeply and relax while activating this point. It's all about finding that balance in your body. Find the point that is at the base of the nail on your second toe, at the corner on the side towards your small toe. Right over here. Now, push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. And if you have a Tei Shin, you can pulse this 25 times like this. Now find and activate this point on your other foot. The next and perhaps most powerful point for reducing belly fat is below your belly button. In addition to reducing belly fat, this point is used for improving digestion and reducing bloating. Start by finding your belly button, right over here. Now find the point that's the width of your thumb twice below that, like this. 1, 2, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, you can pulse it 25 times like this. And here's another view. I recommend incorporating these points into a balanced diet and exercise routine. Activate these points 3 times daily for 30 days, then use them as needed thereafter. The next step for weight loss is to reduce inflammation. I've put my video, How to Reduce Inflammation Naturally, right over here. Have a look.